Hi, welcome to SDA Digital Agency. And in this video, I'll be discussing the basics of digital marketing and how it can help you grow your business. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is a method of promoting products or services using digital technologies, such as search engines, social media, email, and websites. The goal of digital marketing is to reach a larger audience and drive more sales through online channels. Why is digital marketing important? In today's world, most people have access to the internet and are actively using it to research and make purchasing decisions. By utilizing digital marketing techniques, you can reach a large and targeted audience, effectively communicate your message, and track the success of your marketing efforts in real time. Types of digital marketing. There are many types of digital marketing, including search engine optimization, pay-per-click advertising, social media marketing, email marketing, and content marketing. Each type of digital marketing has its own unique benefits and can be used in different ways to reach your target audience and achieve your marketing goals. How to get started with digital marketing. To get started with digital marketing, you need to understand your target audience, define your marketing goals, and choose the right digital marketing channels to reach those goals. You can also work with a digital marketing agency to help you get the results you need and achieve your goals more effectively. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful in giving you a better understanding of digital marketing and how it can help you grow your business. For more information and tips on digital marketing, be sure to subscribe to our channel.